Well, alright guys, we're back with this very cool on battery. And again, I highly recommend people use these things because they are very cool. The one that I used correctly lived for a very long time. I've had mine for over, I think, maybe a year, 2 years, whatever. I got it just before COVID. Just before COVID. Anyway, the one that I gave my friend, something dreadful happened to it. Something dreadful happened to it. And so this way, I've opened it up. I've used a soldering iron to cut through it. Very, very dangerous. Kids, don't try this at home. You'll set the house on fire, or something bad could happen. It could explode. Something nasty could happen to you. I do this stuff all the time, and therefore I probably would be in just as much danger as you would. But anyway, I'm willing to take the risk so you guys can learn something. So you can take all of this cool stuff out.
Likey